Hey everyone, welcome to Math Victory channel. In today's video, we are going to see an arithmetic progression question. Okay, so in this question, we are going to apply two different formula to find the answer. This will come for both class 9 and 10 students and in both ICSE and CBSE board. Before going for the solution, please do subscribe for Math Victory and comment if you need more such questions. Let's go for the solution now. So first we'll decode the question. So find the sum of first n terms. So here we are going to find the value for Sn, okay, and whose nth term value is given. So sum of first n term is differ and nth term is differ, okay. So sum of first n term is Sn value, that is what we need, and here what they have given is An value is given. Both are differ, okay, and hence find the sum of first 20 terms, okay. So before going to the actual solution, I just give a small recap about AP, okay. So AP is nothing but a series. So here let the series be A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma etc till AN. So it's going to be the it is called as a series of AP. So when the series is called as AP means when the common differences are equal. For example, D, let's take the common difference as D. So here the values difference of A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 and also A4 minus A3. So like this all the common difference should be equal, okay. Then only the series will called as AP. So here An value means the nth term value is given and we need to find the Sn value, that is nothing but sum of all the terms value. So we are going to find this using two different formula, okay. So as I told, there is two methods. So method 1 we are going to use one formula and in method 2 we are going to use another formula, okay. So for Sn we are going to use different formula in method 1 and 2, okay. Yeah, so for method 1 we are going to use the actual formula which we all know, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula we all know, and there is another formula for Sn, that is nothing but n by 2 into a plus l, okay. A is nothing but the first term and L is nothing but last term. Clear? Yeah, sorry. Okay, so before going to the formulas, we'll find the A value and D value for this series, okay, because they have given An value. So with this An value we are able to find the A value and D value, okay. So what is given? An is equal to 5 minus 6n. So when I substitute n 1 for n, so it becomes 5 minus 6 into 1, so the value is minus 1. So when n is 2, a2 is nothing but 5 minus 6 into 2, so it's going to be minus 7, okay. So like this we can able to find all the value, but we are going to stop this because we need D value now. So D value is nothing but A2 minus A1, okay. So that is nothing but minus 7, already minus in formula, and one more minus in the term of A. So I am going to write another minus in bracket, so it becomes minus 6 for D value, okay. So we have D value as minus 6 and A value as minus 1. Clear? This is the part which you need to solve before going to the formula. Okay, now we'll see how method 1 and 2 going to give the same answer. Okay, so in method 1 I'm going to substitute the a value, d value here. So Sn equal to n by 2 into a value was -1 plus, again I don't know n value, minus n minus 1 into d value was -6. Okay, so we'll open the bracket now. So n by 2 will remain same. Now this is nothing but -2. After opening the bracket it become -6n and plus 6, as already there is a minus. Okay, so this value is nothing but n by 2 into, so 6 and -2 is 4 minus 6n. Okay, so here 2 are common out in both the terms. So once you take the 2 outside, 2n by n, so remaining term is 2 minus 3n. Okay, so this 2 will get cancelled and I am going to write the n inside the bracket. So Sn value will be 2n minus 3n square. Okay, so this is what the Sn value we got when we use the first formula. Okay, now with the second method, so I am going to use the formula of n by 2 a plus L. So a is first term, L is the last term. Last term means nothing but an. Okay, yeah, we'll see now. So Sn equal to, again n is not known, n by 2 into a is nothing but we found from this, that is -1 plus the last term. So last term is what given in the question, correct? So that is 5 minus 6n. So just after substituting the last term I am going to work out here. So this become 4 minus 6n. See the terms. So we got here in just in the second term itself, but it takes a long term and you need to calculate d value also there. So this one is the easiest way, method 2. Okay, so both the methods are allowed in your board exam, so you can use any formula in your board exam. So if it is comes in 2 marks or 3 mark question, use the formula a plus L, so that you can easily complete the question in short time, or else it will, you need to take the d value and then solve in this way. It will take another 2 minutes extra, that's it. Okay, yeah, so we'll go for the question. Again 2 is common here, so once you take the 2 common outside and get cancelled, so it become n into 2 minus 3n. Okay, so this value is nothing but 2n minus 3n square. So in both the values, like both the methods, we got the same value for Sn. Okay, so now with this Sn formula we are going to find the last question, last part of our question, that is nothing but sum of 20th term, first 20 term. So sum of first 20 term means nothing but Sn, that is Sn in place of n you just need to substitute 20. Okay, so Sn value is 2n, so in place of n I am going to substitute 20 minus 3 into 20 the whole square. Okay, so here it becomes 40 minus 3 into 400. So 40 minus 1200, this is nothing but minus, so this is your sum of 20th term value, sorry, sum of all 20 first 20 terms value. Okay, hope you got this solution. Please do redo the question by your own, and comment if you got the answer correct. Also comment if you have any other doubts. Okay, so we'll see you in next video. Before moving, please do subscribe and like and share for your friends for more such videos. Thank you.